Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to briefly discuss what is Meta AI on WhatsApp and Instagram and how does it work. Now, with Meta AI, you can ask a wide range of questions and receive helpful responses. For example, if you're looking for a group of friends, you can ask, hey Meta AI, I'm grilling scallops, corn on the cob, and burgers. How should I cook with each of them? And you're going to be able to get the answer from Meta AI, whether you're using WhatsApp or you're using Instagram or other platforms that has integrated Meta AI to it. It is just new. It's barely a month old, and with Meta AI, it processes data from the interaction with servers within its platforms. Like what I said, this is for Instagram and WhatsApp. So in Instagram, you could access it by going to messages and just typing at Meta AI to start the process with communicating with the AI. Same with WhatsApp, you just need to type on any chat at Meta AI to start to jumpstart talking to Meta AI on WhatsApp. Now it's going to be the same thing with every platform that Meta AI is integrated in. And by the way, it's only been released in a select few countries, over a dozen, so it's not available for everybody. If you try to use a VPN, it will not work, because I have tried. At least the free ones doesn't work, and sometimes it does get a bit too tedious and annoying. It gives a lot of notifications, and a lot of people start to dislike using it. But it will be fixed. I would assume that in the near future, in future patches, they will be able to optimize and make it more efficient and less stressful for people. So that's Meta AI for WhatsApp and Instagram. Again, it helps you with information, with whatever you need. It's like an assistant. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.